Hi, I'm Matt Page, and today I'm going to show you the 3 different ways to putt. So the first way you can do it is the traditional way, and this is the way a guy like Tiger Woods, who's probably the greatest golfer of all time, this is how he does it. So first thing you do is you put your left hand on top, right hand on the bottom, with your left thumb and right thumb going straight down the flat part of the grip, and your left index finger will go over the top of your right pinky and your right index finger. Next way you can do it is a way like a guy like Jordan Spieth, who's a 3-time major champion. This is the way he does it. But he puts his this is called a cross hand grip, by the way. So he puts his right hand on top and then left hand on the bottom, and then he overlaps here. So you can see this or this. And then he still holds it lightly and then brings it back and through. And then the last way you can do it is like a guy like Phil Mickelson. This is how he does it, who's a 5-time major champion. So this is called the claw grip. This is how he does it. He puts his, well, I'm a righty, and he's a lefty, so he does it a little differently. But for me, I put my left hand on top, right hand makes a claw, and it's gripping the flat part of the grip, then you putt. But today I'm just going to show you what I do for my grip. So I putt the traditional way, like Tiger does. So first thing I do is I put my feet together and line up where I want my feet to go. So this is a little bit of a right to left putt. So I'm going to aim a little bit right of the cup. Then I get my grip, left hand, right hand. Then I make sure my eyes are over the top of the ball. Then I hold the putter pretty loose so I can feel the weight of the club head going through. And then the ball position is just going to be off my left toe. So eyes over the ball, take one last look at the hole, back and through. Right in the middle. So that's basically it. That's how you do the traditional way, the cross hand and the claw. And I'm Matt Page, and have a good day.